Hey everybody, this is Guillermo with Day Trading with Guillermo. Today is January 19th. Hey, sorry I've been out for a while. I've been really busy at work. Man, we're going through a merger, so it's been really crazy busy. So I haven't had much time to do some of my trades. But, you know, I did still do some trades. I just didn't get a chance to really make some videos. But as you saw, I've been working on 2 performance evaluation accounts. You saw the videos. I got one funded at $50,000. And then after today at market close, I will be getting another $50,000 account funded. So I'm pretty excited. I'm glad you were part of the journey with me. And thanks for following along. So today, around 9:30 this morning, Pacific time, I needed to go get a
order submitted.
What we call DEQ check. So I decided to put the software in complete automation, and I was not even here. So as you can see on screen right now, it took the first trade. So I was not even here, not even looking at the computer. I was in our little minivan getting emissions
order
tested,
canceled.
VIN check, so we can get registered in Oregon, which is where I live. So as you can see, we
canceled.
We entered the trade. We got stopped out a little bit and made $385. So $385, not even here. So pretty cool. So the video, it's running. So I did not see how it performed till I hit stop. So you're watching it basically the same time as I am, because I haven't gone through and analyzed it myself. So I'll talk. There may be some quiet time here, and just bear with me, because I don't know how quickly the trades will come together. I think I was gone for like 30 minutes. So this video might be a little long, so you can kind of fast forward as you watch this video and get to the sections where it actually enters a trade. So today the current trend seems to be going up. So we'll see if we enter some trades there, or if it starts to drop, we'll enter trades there too. This is the great thing about automation. It finds direction. It makes those decisions for us. We don't have to think about it. So, like I said, I wasn't even here. So the automation took the trades. I think we ended up with a positive $735 over the 30-minute time span. That's within my profit target, because I do shoot for anywhere from 500 to 1,000. So very respectable. And of course, in 30 minutes worth of work, I think that's pretty awesome. So, and I think you would think that too, right? 30 minutes makes $700. I think that's pretty sweet. So we'll just keep an eye on automation and go from here. So while the automation's going, I think I wanted to talk about the performance evaluations. As you saw, I've received some questions about it. You know, how does it really work? And there's a video on this already, so I won't hash out too much about it. But basically what it is that I had the funds to purchase a bot, automation, but I didn't have the capital. Like, I don't have $100,000 or $50,000 or $30,000 that I could just go to a broker, open an account, and start trading the right way. I did not have that. So what I decided to go was a different route, to say, hey, there's funders out there, funding companies that are looking for traders that are profitable, and they make you go through an evaluation process. So you open an account, you pay a fee, and then you trade. You do it for a minimum of 10 days. You can take as long as you need to, but a minimum of 10. They want to see that you're consistent, that you're able to generate profits. And then at the end of the 10-day cycle, minimum 10 days, they want to see a minimum profit target. In my case, it's 3,000. That was no problem. I made that on my first account, and it got funded on Saturday. Pretty excited about that. The second account also met the profit target already today, so I'm done with that. So, like I said, when market closes, I'll get an email notification with the contract and go from there.
Order submitted.
As you can see, we are in the middle of a trade right now, so we'll see where it goes. It's a little bit sideways right now, as you can see. It kind of peaked, came down. Now it's starting to come back up. So one thing we should keep in mind is that, looks like we may lose this trade. Let's see where we end up. And if it comes back up, right now it's negative 715, but if it comes up right now, we'll get all of that back, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. So keep an eye on that P&L. Let's see where we end up on this trade. So sometimes you got to be patient. There's stop losses, and we don't want to prematurely close out a trade because we might miss out. So right now you might be tempted to be like, oh man, I'm going to close this out. I already lost 700. Well, you haven't been stopped out, and see, it's going back up. So now that we had initially looked like a negative 700 loss, now it's negative 300, and it should keep going here, but we'll see. We just don't know where it's going to end up. Like I said, I have not seen this whole video myself, so we'll see. You're watching it live with me, so we're making some progress here. There we go. I think it's gonna slowly creep up to that profit target up at the top there, because you said the two what they call a double top, the two peaks with the white candles. So most likely it's going to work its way up there again. The background is changing color to that gray. That means it's in an upward direction, so that's great. Our P&L is back to 0, so that's good. So this trade is not a loser at the moment. Right now it's neutral, and we just entered positive territory. So we're going to let that go. Like I said, I wasn't even here, so automation is just going to stop it whenever it starts to reverse. It will take profit and then get out of the trade. So you're going to see that in action here in a second. We'll see when it will stop out, unless it just keeps going, which would be awesome. But no, there it is. Canceled. So we ended up with a positive 100. Now it's going to start looking for the next trade. So we're just going to keep looking at the video. Really, I apologize. This is probably not the most exciting, but the reason I chose this video was that typically I do market open, which is very volatile, real time, live. We in, we're out, 15 minutes, and we're totally done. This time around, I was thinking, hey, let's do a video where I gotta go do something, run an errand. I'm not at my computer, and
order submitted.
Put it on auto. What does the software gonna do? And that's really where I'm at. So as you can see here, we're entering another trade, and yeah, see, here we go. Let's see where we end up. Okay, so we're in positive 260. Let's see if we can hit that first profit target.
Order canceled.
There we go. It's looking
Order
good. And there
canceled.
we are. So look at that, 680. And now 715. So the P&L will adjust as it moves forward, as it moves up. It will take a profit when it starts changing direction, so that amount will change slightly.
Order
See, it took
canceled.
profit, but since it automatically took profit, it took it at the lower position because it doesn't know if it's going to keep going up or down. So so you do give back some of the profit. As you can see, we were at plus 700. Now we're at plus 555. So that's just something you should know, is that it is going to wait until there's a change of direction and then it closes out the trade. So, but that's just the way it is. It's automated. It doesn't know when nobody knows what the market's going to do. So there's no point in trying to figure out when to take profit, right? So the automation is doing what it's programmed to do. If I was in front of the computer, I could have hit flat earlier and taken profit at the higher amount. But that's just the way it works. You don't have to do that. You can just let it do its automation. Yeah. So to go back to the performance evaluation topic. So my second account, when market closes today, I will get my second funded account. So once those are locked in, which I expect to do that in the next day or so, and then next week it's when I will really start building up those accounts. The broker, it's their capital, it's not my capital, but I get to trade it, and then I'm eligible to profit from those accounts. So the first 10,000 are 100% mine. So the first 10,000 that I'll make on each of those accounts will be mine. Then anything after that, we have to do a revenue share. So they'll get 10% of any of my profits, and I get to keep 90%. So that's a pretty good deal, right? Because it's not my capital. I didn't front it, but I'm still making most of the return. So that's what's attractive about this proposition, that, hey, I'm not risking my money. I'm risking someone else's, but I'm doing it in a way that I'm being responsible. I have a tool. In this case, I have a tool from TruTrade that allows me to do this. So anyway, I'm not going to talk too much. I think what I'm going to do is just let the video play out, and you'll see it towards the end. So feel free to fast forward through the different sections of this video and see how the trades unfold on their own over the next 15 or so minutes. So like I said, I don't want to talk for 15 minutes. I'm sure you don't want to hear me talk for 15 minutes, but keep an eye on the trades, see what the automation's doing, how the bot works, and see it trade. Like I said, I wasn't here. I came back and it was a positive $700. So that's pretty sweet to see that you can literally be gone with no human intervention whatsoever, and you make money. It's pretty crazy to think about it. But anyway, that's it. I'm gonna leave you with that. Thank you for watching my videos. I will give you a little sneak peek though. I have a new bot that's coming. Hopefully by next week we can try it out together. So I got some new automation. I think this will be even better than what you see right now. But it's a little surprise. So sneak peek. Keep an eye out for next week. I think you're going to be pretty excited. So with that, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.